Something just to understand. When we use up 3 spaces, I'd used it over here, I did it here, but somehow in this space, I was able to put a leg. If I would create the same box and put it over here, on this side, opening, which is the Venus opening, or closing, right? One is a V, one is an A, one is pointing up, one is pointing down. If you notice over here, the 8 is lying on its side, and you can have 2 windows. Here, the 8 is standing up. Just want to show you that when we cut exactly, remember, 45 degrees is the in-between of 2 sides, because 45 should actually be 22.5. So the right side of 22.5 is 23.5. The left side, okay, 22.5, 23.5. The left side is 22.5. But we're just going to show you that I must stop cutting right over here, okay? But if I stop cutting over there, this section is an area. This is the one area over here. This is another complete area. This is another complete area. If I cut over here, everything runs out of the bag. So which way would we lay the oceans? Okay, how would I make this? Do you understand where I'm going with this? And again, we can look at the antenna. Because once we cut out of this box, remember the box is more to one side than the other, right? I can create the reversal box if I want. Right? Is it 1, 2? I can create the reversal box if I want. And I can have 2 sides. I'll create this one over here. And at the same time, I'm trying to hold on a second. So when we continue on, I stop the video. We can see the beginning of the roof of the house. If you take a look, there's a diamond cut out on this side. There's a diamond overlapping on this side. Now, is the book open? Does it show that it splices together and one goes over the other? You see, we need 2 for one to go over it, right? We do it all the time with the cigarette. We need 2 to get 1. We need 2 to get 1, and all of a sudden we got noise in the background again. Okay, so we'll stop that speaker. So here is the automatic. Here is the last one, because once you open it to the other side, this is the last area you can actually go. So you have 1 level, 2 levels, 3 levels, almost like a parking lot, right? 3 levels of parking cars inside of this section. And anyways, this is the house over here, and then this would be the house over here. This would be one of them, and then on this one, how would we get this house over here? I had this house over here, right? And then if I want to come one more time, how would I do the same thing over here, right? Would be over here, and then I would actually run in over here, and then I would run over here, and then I would run over here. So this is exactly how it must be done. I'm just showing you situational math. That's all it is. I have no numbers right now for this. Situational math. And this is the conquest of what we have done. You see the way these 3 areas got filled up? You see the face that's over here almost looks like some kind of animal. You see the half space would be here, and then here. Trying to figure out the other one would be here. See the way the VW comes up? This is the attic of the house. I'm not sure where I'm going with this, but it's all about building. It's all about building.